Hello everyone. On behalf of Vijay Mishra, Volatility Coach, MB Investment, Certified Financial Goal Planner, and AFGP from AAFM USA India, I want to cover a very important question. Should you buy property or make an investment in a retirement plan? Now, let's get one thing very clear. When you retire, there might be 4 to 5 type of income that you would have. Number 1, you could have rental yields coming from a property. Number 2, you could be having dividends, which coming from mutual funds or stocks. 3, could be the interest income flowing in from bonds. 4 and 5 could be pension from Social Securities program or retirement plan. Now, when you have many income stream, one of them is property income. So property is an excellent way or a tool to build an income stream. However, there are 3 or 4 points that I need you to consider. 1. Search of right tenant. If you don't have the right tenant, your rental income may create problem. It might be in shape of frequent change of tenant or non-paying rent on time. Number 2. Maintenance of the property. Every property needs to be maintained. You should understand that because your property age is also growing with your age. So as you become older, your property also gets older and requires maintenance. Number 3. You pay property tax and other charges on your property. So such expenses are generally recurring type and affect your net income from property. Sometime when it demands frequent maintenance, then we think of property exchange. Means selling an old one and buying a new one. So getting in and out of properties can be difficult. However, property is an excellent tool to have retirement income. But have you ever thought that retirement plan is also important? A retirement plan could be your hedging plan also. When does it work? Let's understand. Whenever your other 4 or 5 asset classes income become weak or you are under a bad economic situation. In such circumstances, when there is a poor economy, your rental income drop, your equity dividend and your bond portfolio interest start falling. Your fixed deposit also goes down because interest rates scenario moves towards declining mode. So if you realize all your other income streams start drying up. When there is an economic downturn, having a retirement plan is an excellent option because it provides a consistent guarantee of fixed income to you. So having a good annuity retirement plan allows you to build a guarantee flow of income. Your income in retirement should be a combination of both variable and guaranteed, so build a portfolio that has a combination of both the variable and guaranteed incomes. There is always some income in the pipeline which should be variable in nature. It will help make sure that whenever there is a high inflation, your income increases. Whenever the economic downturn comes, your variable income will come down, but then there would be no impact because your expenses will come down as well. Keep combination of variable and guaranteed in your mind. Property is the right investment. Absolutely yes, but it should be a part of a portfolio. It cannot be your only investment. Is retirement plan a wonderful investment? Absolutely yes, but again it cannot be an entire portfolio. It has to be a part of your full portfolio if you want to have a very balanced retirement portfolio. You need to have income from all asset classes. In case you find any difficulty to understand the concept, please call at 9818581199 or visit www.investforeasylife.com. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked the video, then please don't forget to click subscribe and bell icon.